This is how remote workers can be tracked. This is the third part. In the first part of this short series, um, I have been talking about what is the best way if you want to monitor your remote worker's computer, what's the best software to use. Wolfeye Remote Screen is the software. I told you where you can download the software. On wolfeye.de you can download it. I told you how what the software does, that it allows you to see the live computer screen and to also save screenshots. And in the second part, I demonstrated you how the software works. I used the software for you. I showed you how you install it and how you run it and how you see the live computer screen remotely without the user noticing anything. I demonstrated in the second part. And in this last part, I wanted to make some notes that you must take into account uh, if you want, maybe even before you want to install Wolfeye Remote Screen software. So because Wolfeye Remote Screen software, and now I'm beginning with the video, is basically a spy software, a spy program. And things you must take into account is first, please make sure, take legal advice if you are allowed to use this kind of software in your country or in your situation. We do not give legal advice. This is the first thing. The second thing is it's a spy software, and that's why antivirus programs, they do detect it, because that's the task of antivirus programs, to tell you if some kind of software is monitoring your computer. So for that, it is two things are important. First, that you select the correct folder to which you will download the software and from which you will run the software. I will show it to you in a moment. And second, that folder that you select, that has to be the correct folder, you have to put it into the exception list of your antivirus program so that your antivirus program continues to run, but excludes that folder from the scan. Yeah. So um, let's go through these steps. So first, I said you must select the correct folder, and it's very important actually. Um, that's why we have written a whole article about this here under tutorial. I will open this tutorial tab. And we have made a 9 minutes video. And 9 minutes video, please watch the video even before you download the software. And here we have made a summary of things you have to take into account. And first thing is select the correct folder. So the correct folder has to be on C, users public, and there you can select some folder. I show it to you here. Um, Let me, here on C, users public documents, and here you can create a folder. I have already created that folder. In the last video I showed you how I install this software. It's called kernel, and basically that's where the installation folder has to be. Okay. The second is this folder you must put into the exception list of the antivirus program. If you want to know how to do it with your specific antivirus program, send us an email with your antivirus program. We will send you the instructions. I will demonstrate it here with the Defender. Here, uh, virus and protections. You scroll down to go to settings, virus and protections settings, and then you go to exceptions. Wait,